guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this colored split text effect on the CapCut PC. So you can use a few colors, more than two I think, but I'm just going to use the two colors here. I'm just going to select this pink one, and I'm also, actually I'm just going to rotate that. Whoopsies, hold on. It's this one, sorry. And I'm just going to scale that up, as well as the other color, which is the pink one. You can use any colors you want, of course. I'm then just going to split it. So go to mask and split this. You can split it this way, you can split it diagonally. It's totally up to you, like how you want to split that. I'm just going to split it this way, and I'm just going to type in the word adorable. Okay, maybe not, maybe like something cute. I'm going to write the word beautiful, because why not, you know? I don't know. Then you're just going to select a font as well for this. You can use any font, but it is recommended to use like a bold font so you can see this like easily, I guess. Trying to find like a cute, okay, it does take really long for me to find a font, so sorry about that. I think I'm going to use okay, pick a font, girl. We don't got all day. I'm just going to select this one, it's fine. Not the prettiest, but we'll work with that. And I'm just going to select the same color as the background here. And I'm just going to copy and paste that, and I'm going to select the other color of the background. Right click on one, create compound clip, and just select split, and you're just going to split it halfway as you did to the other one. That's it. Voila! I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!